Okay guys, today I bought this set of 10 giant icicle lights in their LED, rainfall effect, and the brand is Winter Wonderland and it says fantasy at the top. And I bought 3 purchases, so I've even bought those and those. Yeah, and also guys, I powered up those now. Just that they're not on the timer mode. Yeah, I'm just going to get these unboxed. And these are giant. Oh my goodness guys. If this video gets 10 likes, then humongous guys. Absolutely huge icicles. And this is a set of 10, so this is the smallest set. This is the smallest. This set is now the smallest purchase, but the best purchase I think I've ever bought. See, look, just look at this, guys. Got 10 fabulous, huge icicles, guys. Right, let's just get the plug assembled. Just need to assemble the plug, guys, and then I'll lift the camera back up and power these fabulous things up for you. Oh, come on. Where did it go? There we go. Pushed it in. Just need to tighten it up. Come on. Oh, this is hard. This is hard work, guys. This purchase has got one really hard plug to assemble. Okay guys, I've just had to cut the video there because my brother came in. Just about to power these things up. Got those on now. These are so awesome, like literally. Don't know how I'm going to turn them on. I'm just going to have to unravel the cable a bit. Just unravel the cable a bit. Trust me, when these are powered, these are going to look so awesome. Yeah. These are going to look like the best. This is like the best purchase I've ever bought. And I think this video is going to get so much likes because of all this. Sorry about that, guys. Let's power these things on. I'm sorry about all this, guys. All this. 3, 2, 1, going. Oh my goodness, they are stunning. Oh my gosh, they are so stunning, guys. Literally. Look at that. And they're going really fast as well. And this is the only thing they do. They're not like they're multifunction or anything. This is the only thing they do. It's a rainfall effect, as it says there. Not like all of these that are multifunction. Yeah, these are just having a fault because you can see the green barely works and the yellow doesn't work at all, and these have just been flickering slightly this set, but these two have been fine. Let's just, yeah, this set, look. I think I'm going to replace the batteries in this set because I'm just going to have them on steady on for now, but these are so awesome, guys. I've never ever bought a purchase like this before, and I think this is stunning. Yeah, and my mum bought 2 purchases as well today. Those, and then my brother's just turned those on in the box on steady on. I'm not gonna mess with them. And then I've got all my ones on condition mode. Not this one, not these. It won't be fun if I don't have those on. Yeah, the reason why they're not on the timer mode is because we came back after 4:30, so therefore I won't have time. Yeah, these don't have a timer, but these two do. Anyway, yes guys, I'm now going to turn them off and show you these laid out along the floor. So yeah, I'm now going to cut a video and show you these laid out along the floor. Okay, and here they are laid out along the floor. These are going to look so awesome. Ready? Just go back here. Look. They're so awesome. I'm turning the light off. They look so awesome. Literally. Yeah, like I said, this is a set of 10. And like I also said, this is the only thing they do, then yeah, here's the side of the box. Here's the side of one side of the box. Yeah, that I'll just put that on steady on because they're just being faulty. I think the batteries in them are very low. So I'll be putting new batteries in them. Speaking of these batteries, when I power up these two in a second, the other two in a second, I'll need batteries, won't I? Yeah. But these are just fabulous, guys. So awesome. I like this function. It's really nice. 10 giant icicle lights. That are ice white. They are so awesome. But yeah, I'm now going to shut them off. I'm just going to put the light back on and then turn them off. There we go. The next set I'll do after these will be this set here, this set. So yeah, I'm now going to end the video here. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, comment and subscribe if you did, and stay tuned for this set. Okay?